Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a happy mail for you, and it's a very special kind of happy mail because today is our Black Friday special. So I chose one shop of all the Etsy shops that are or is based in Australia who does hand-drawn art. So I was looking for a shop with an artist making stickers that are of my style. And of all the shops, I reached out to one of them, and her shop is SiennaUnknown. So SiennaUnknown is an Etsy shop, and the owner, Sienna, is based in Victoria, and she is a young student, an undergraduate student of, I believe, criminology. I think this is a double degree, and I was really impressed by her creativity and work ethics, because I know very well for a fact that if you are a student and you are also maintaining a shop, it can be very difficult. So I wanted to support her, and her stuff is so cute, incredible. Decided to go ahead and purchase her products to show you guys today as part of the Black Friday special. So I will put the Black Friday special right here. Hey guys, I'm sorry that I wasn't able to complete this video with the live audio because there was a lot of foley, a lot of background noise that I didn't quite like. So I just decided to go ahead and do this voiceover. And here I'm just opening up this package. It is made with so much love. I felt every single one of that love. And it's really super cute. It's so special. And I hope that you guys have a chance to go ahead and buy from her Etsy shop and experience this love as well. So it is wrapped in many layers of tissue paper. A lot of the things are individually wrapped, and this is the backing paper or backing card. There's so many backing cards for this just to make sure that your package arrives well and unbent. And this is the card that comes with it. It is super cute, very kawaii, very cute. And she also includes a handwritten note, which I really love because it just makes it very special. And the receipt, guys, is handwritten. That is super cute. I never thought of doing that when I had a shop. And this is a really cool idea of, I think this is a reward system. And then we have another card freebie. So all of these is just going to be freebie for now until I'm able to get into the stickers, which is this one. So these are some of what I ordered. I think I ordered one sheet and then the rest is a freebie. So I got the Christmas one. And these are printed and cut and kiss cut as well. Printed on glossy paper with cream backing. It's actually a cream paper instead of a bleached white one, which I really like because the Hobonichi is in fact not white paper, it's cream. So this is a freebie. This is coming out today, as you know, on Friday, on Black Friday, as well as this one. So the self-care and the afternoon tea one, those sheets are coming out on Black Friday. Make sure to use my code JOY25 for 25% off on your order. And I really like this sheet, the self-care one. It is really nice and very important as well. I also found this backing card that I wasn't expecting, another one, and it's just a card about the order. And then let's get into one of my favorites, and this was the first item in my cart because this is the one that I really wanted. And this is a print of a village on Christmas. Next, we're getting into more of my orders, and I ordered this set, or a lot of sets, actually 3 sets of stickers and prints. So the first one is the Totoro one because it looks like line art and it's really nice. And I also got these Dust Bunnies one. And then I'm sorry for the footage of this set. It's not very good because I'm supposed to be talking you through it, but I didn't end up doing that. So let's just show you the different things in this pack. So this is one pack. You can buy it individually, I think, and these are pretty tiny as you can see, and it will fit your weeks very well if you have a Hobonichi Weeks or even a Hobonichi Techo. So here I have the prints. Some of these are in stickers. I think 2 of them are in print. And it's just really lovely sky art. And then we have the November freebies. So the first one is another of the sky art, and the next one is the mini sheet of the self-care one that we got. And it's very nice. And I'm glad to have extras of that. So those are the things that I ordered. Remember that her Etsy is SiennaUnknown, and I hope you do drop by her Etsy shop. So thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.